still continues to hurt. Well, I got a little drunk, so they tell me, and that's when I fell down the steps. Now it's true that I might be sinking, but I know I ain't gone down yet. So I push in my cigarette lighter, I turn on my own radio. Me and this broken down pickup truck still got a long way to go. Wyoming up to Montana, California to New Mexico. Doing the best I can, just a traveling man, still got a long way to go. Now my brother settled in Frisco. Me and him used to buddy around. Now he lives down there with a wife and kids. He's always telling me to settle down. Oh, I would if I could's what I tell him, but I guess he knows it ain't true, 'cause it gets in your blood like a fever does. There's nothing else you wanna do. So I push in my cigarette light, and I turn on my old radio. Me and this broken down pickup truck still got a long way to go. Wyoming up to Montana, California to New Mexico. Doing the best I can, just a traveling man, still got a long way to go. Well, I filled the tank with my last $10. Where I'm going ain't too clear. The only thing I know about the future is that you just can't see it from here. And so I'll settle back like I'm in a Cadillac, getting ready for what's to come. You know, my mother always thought I'd be the president, but I guess I'm just another highway bum. So I push in my cigarette